Memorization Challenge, Day 258. Oh my God, Digi Bible, verse of the day. Proverbs 4:1, in King James Version. Hear ye, children, the instruction of a father, and attend to know understanding. Proverbs 4:1. Thanks be to God po. Share the love. Good job. Perfect.
Bible verse, Memorization Challenge, Day 258. Digi Bible verse of the day. Proverbs 4:1. In Tok Pisin version, or in Papua New Guinea language, or Proverbs 4:1. Harim, yupla pikinini, tok school bilong wan plapapa. Naputing iya bilong kisim sabi, lunggut plasabi. Or Proverbs 4:1. And in Tagalog version, Kawikaan 4:1. Dinggin ninyo, mga anak ko, ang turo ng Ama, at makinig kayo upang matuto ng kaunawaan. Kawikaan 4:1. King James Pisin Bible. Tok thank you, igulong God. Salamat po sa Diyos. Thanks be to God. Share the love.
Good take. Good job. Perfect.
Proverbs 4:1. In Tok Pisin version, or in Papua New Guinea language, or Proverbs 4:1. Pikinini man bilong ni, bungim or tok-tok bi
Thank you for watching.